In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Conversion API using Stape.io. It's a great way to enhance your Facebook pixel tracking and ensure that you're getting the most accurate data possible about your website visitors and their activities. This step-by-step guide will show you how to set everything up seamlessly, so let's dive into it. First, you'll need to log in or sign up with Stape.io. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and sign in. If not, creating a new account is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main menu. This is where you'll find a variety of options, but today we're going to focus on the FB-CAPI gateways, or Meta Conversions API Gateway. Click on this option to proceed. Up next, you'll want to create a new Conversion API Gateway, or KPIG for short. Click on Create KPIG, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your gateway. Choose something that makes sense for your business or campaign, as it will help you keep track of your gateways in the future. Then, you'll need to select a server location or zone. Stape.io offers options like US, Europe, and Asia, so pick one that aligns best with your user base and compliance needs, such as GDPR if you're operating in Europe. After specifying the server location, you'll have to choose a pricing plan. There's a 7-day free trial available for new gateways, which is a nice way to test things out without any initial commitment. After that, pricing will be based either on a per-pixel monthly rate or bulk rates, depending on your needs. Carefully consider which option suits your business best. Once you've settled on a plan, you're ready to move on to the next steps. Now that your Conversion API gateway is created, it's time to connect it with your Facebook pixel, which serves as the data source. This might sound complex, but don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. First, you'll need to authorize the connection via Meta Business Manager. This involves logging into your Facebook account and granting the necessary permissions for Stape.io to interact with your Facebook pixel. Once authorization is complete, choose the pixel you want to connect. While you're at it, take a moment to enable advanced matching if necessary. This feature helps Facebook better understand the data being sent by matching on more data points than just the basic pixel tracking. It can be particularly useful for targeting and personalization in your ads. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Facebook Conversion API using Stape.io. This setup will enhance your tracking accuracy and can greatly benefit your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.